Obatampa Express Consultancy is an exclusive travel and tour institution with a mission of assisting everybody with a desire to travel abroad to work, study, and to live there. We are specialized in visa acquisition and flight ticketing. Obatampa Express Consultancy is a certified and accredited travel and tour agency that has made impact in the travel and tour institution by assisting majority of Ghanaians to travel to the following countries: Canada, Mexico, Australia, Brazil, Europe, New Zealand, America, and many other exclusive countries. We are located at Accra, Bubiashi, behind Control Pharmacy. Contact us on the following numbers: 0542 600 008 and also +351 920 143673. Obatampa Express Consultancy. We fly everywhere.
Attention TV so na me fie ase na ye ekwentua me ne mapamfo na Abrabomu Nsem ba kumienu a ekoso ewo Abrabomu a yeti sesia ya Abrabomu emema no bi edi mane ni sana mane bi nso edi mane ni sesia akra de ne akoba ne se papa fo no enyenye me yankasa yema Nsem ni bi ho a no odi nti ekwentua me mapamfo chance ne wo se ye toto nye me yie kama na ene edwumeko so ya say ye dis edwumedi April Obatampa Travel and Tour Express Consultancy for na esto ya say ye edwumedi April opese ko sua de o Mexico, Canada, Australia opese ko ye edwuma nkra makeka nyina bebi a opese ko bia ofra Obatampa omo no bedi ensawo so omo Ghana line ene foreign number nyina egu screen ne so ofra ma onsabe kan mo papa sene ene me ho aye fe no sa na mapamfo so e ho aye fe and they no at Twitter and me come upon for Nasa me come upon for and summer and as a summer a day queen chua, Mr. Swan my pump yen ya baby a quenya at Digma and Moja a yo clone in a bobra or bobra agent who say or buy a kitaka crass house na bema so a kitaka crack now or one a bema friend him I say or do you mako to chew a one thing. The children a poor banajas were calling more baffle for a montia. A bed beam or barnes I am cool body or Giacolano Munina at the sin as so if you are a cover. Yeah, but then we I said, I said, we are from Abaka. That's not your funny flat. I said, would be Papa BH. Papa did not buy himself inquire some. Eh, Papa cover you. Yeah, you be a boko. Now we are citizen. Yes,